Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us learn another interesting topic on IAM. Now let's say I need to send, let's say I want to send a same message to multiple users at a time in WhatsApp. Then what do? I can create a group and I add users to it and I'll send message, right? Yes. In similarly, I want to send, that means I want to attach a policy to multiple users at a time. Then can I create group and same like in WhatsApp, can I attach policies? Can I add users and then can I attach policies? Yes, you can do it in AWS. Now let's say I need to attach same permission to multiple IAM users. Same permission to multiple IAM users. What do we call these IAM? What do we call these users in AWS IAM users? Let's say the users are Sai and Ajay. Let's say the users are Sai and Ajay. Okay. In WhatsApp, what I do? Same like WhatsApp, I want to provide same permissions to both Sai and Ajay, same time in AWS. Is it possible for me to create group same like WhatsApp group and add IAM users to that group and attach policies to that group? The answer is yes. What do we call that group in AWS? We call that group as IAM group. What do we call? IAM group. In that IAM service, we are creating group. So that's why we call that group as IAM group. Okay. Can I attach and detach policies to that group? Yes. We can attach and detach policies to IAM group. We can able to attach and detach policies to IAM group. Same like putting a file and deleting that file in WhatsApp. So do the permissions given to the IAM group will provide the permissions to IAM users present in that group? Let's say I have a group like this. I have a group like this. In this group, I added two users. Those are Sai and Ajay. Now, initially, these users having permissions. Let's say this is my group. And the group name is, let's say this is my group and they are developers. So I call this group name as developers group. Okay. Now, initially, there are two users, right? I told you there are two users. First person is I added Sai and I added Ajay as well in the group. Now, for this Sai, let's say for this Sai, already S3 permission is attached. Already I attached S3 permission for this Sai. Now, for this group, I attached EC2 permission. What permission? EC2 permission. Now, you can tell me what are the permissions that Ajay has. What are the permissions that Ajay has? Ajay has only EC2 permissions. And what about Sai, sir? Sai has both S3 as well as EC2 permissions. Sai has both S3 as well as EC2 permissions. So from this, can I say IAM user has permissions to access services based on permissions given to that particular user and user joined group. User joined group. Can I say like that? Yes. So IAM user. IAM user can have permissions. IAM user can have permissions. What are the permissions that IAM user can have? Individual permissions plus group permissions. So what are the groups that this IAM user have added? That group permissions and individual permissions. So that whole permissions will be the resulted permissions to that IAM user. Okay. If you take an example of Sai, then what are the permissions that he have? He have individual permission, that is S3. Now EC2 permission is also added to him because he added in the developer group. So if you attach an IAM user to IAM group, then IAM user having individual permissions will present with him, and in addition to that, the group permissions are also added to him. Now Sai is accessible to use EC2 as well. Whereas coming to Ajay, what are the permissions he have? He do not have initially permissions, so he only have the group permissions. What is the group permission? EC2. Okay. Now, so we can say from this point, we can say IAM groups are used to attach. IAM groups are used to attach say a same permission to multiple users. Yes. So let me write that point. IAM users are used to attach same permission to multiple users. So let me write here. With highlighted color. IAM groups are used to attach same permission to multiple users at a time, right? Yeah. So now let's have another question. Can one user be in multiple groups? Let's say Ajay is in developer group, right? So can I put this Ajay in another group? That is, let's say I have security group as well. I have security group as well. Can I put this Ajay in the security group? Can I able to put Ajay in this security group as well? The answer for this is yes. We can able to put a single user in multiple IAM groups. Similar to WhatsApp, we can able to put a single user in multiple groups, right? In similar to that, we can able to put a single IAM user in multiple groups, right? Yeah. Let's say I provided a permission to this group. That is, since it is security group, I must need to provide IAM permission as well. So now you can tell me what are the permissions that Ajay has. Ajay has, for individual to Ajay, I do not assign any permissions. So individual permissions are nothing. Coming to group permissions, he present in two groups, that is developer group and security group. So from developer group, what are the permissions do Ajay has? EC2 permission. And from security group, what are the permissions do Ajay has? IAM permission. So can I say a user may present in multiple groups? Yes. Same like WhatsApp, we can add one user to multiple groups. Can I say IAM group is nothing but group of IAM users? Yes. IAM group is nothing but group of IAM users. Let me write the point as well. IAM group is nothing but group of IAM users, right? Yeah. So IAM group is nothing but a group of IAM users. Can I able to create group under a single group? Can I able to create another group? No. In similar to WhatsApp, we cannot able to create nested IAM groups. We cannot able to create a group under group, right? Yeah. Is it possible to attach multiple policies to IAM group? Yes. We can able to attach multiple policies to the IAM group. But there is a limit. Maximum managed policies that you can attach to group is 10. Maximum managed policies you can attach to a group is how many? 10. You can attach max 10 policies only to a group. So for IAM group, you can able to attach only 10 policies. So how many max IAM policies can I attach to IAM user, sir? For a user, how many policies can I attach individually? How many policies can I attach individually to a IAM user? To a IAM user. So let me write here IAM group. Okay. So how many policies can I attach to a individual IAM user, sir? That is 10 managed policies and 10 custom policies. 10 managed policies and 10 custom policies. 10 managed policies and 10 custom policies. You don't need to worry. I'll tell you about this managed and custom policies now itself. So what are these managed policies or custom policies? Coming to policies, there are mainly two types. What are they is, first one is managed policy. What is the managed policy, sir? Managed policy. AWS is responsible for providing this policy. AWS providing, can I say this as AWS providing policy? Yes. AWS is already providing this policy for us. They just write it, and what we need to do is we just need to use it. That's it. AWS is predefinedly providing it for us. So what about another type of policy, sir? That is inline policy. We can also call this policy as custom managed policy. Customer managed policy. So in this, we need to provide the policy. We need to provide the policy by our own. So what are the permissions do I require that I need to provide by my own by using this inline policy? Sir, how can we write this inline policy? By using JSON script. Which script? By using JSON script, we need to write this policy. So how can we write any policy? By using JSON script. So now, sir, you told for a group only 10 managed policies are attached, right? For a IAM user, only 10 managed policies and 10 custom policies can be attached. Then what if I require to attach more number of policies to a user or a group than the limit? Then what I need to do? Then to increase the limit, you need to request the AWS. So AWS will increase the limit based on your request, AWS will increase the limit, right? Yeah. I hope you understood this IAM group. I hope you understood about the theory about IAM group. So let me revise the things. Okay. I want to attach same policy to multiple users. Then what is the service that I need to use? IAM group. In that, what I create? We create IAM group with any group name, and then I attach what are the users that I want to provide the same policy. Then I attach the policy to that group. That's it. Okay. Can we attach and detach policies to IAM group? Yes, we can able to attach and detach policies to the IAM group. So let's say I attached a user to the IAM group. Then what are the policies that he has? He has individual policies plus group policies. Okay. Can I attach a single user to multiple groups? The answer is yes. We can able to attach single user to multiple groups. Okay. So for a group, how many policies can I able to attach there at max? At max, you can able to attach only 10 custom policies, 10 managed policies. That's it. So coming to user, how can I able how many policies that I can able to attach there? 10 managed and 10 custom. If I require, can I increase the limit, sir? Yes, you can request the IAM to increase the limit. So what about policy, sir? What is this custom and managed policy? So mainly policies are two types. First one is managed policy and second one is inline policy. Managed policy will take care by whom? AWS. Whereas inline policy will take care by whom? Us. We need to write our own policy, then we call that policy as inline policy. By using which language we write the code, or by using which language, by using which script we write the policy, sir? We write by using JSON script. We write by using JSON script. So I hope you understood this video. So thanks for watching. If you feel this video is contentful, you learned something or you revised something, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. This is video on IAM groups. So thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye.